in with the shoulder or that hip. And she likes to just be scratched.
Well, they're cats.
Yeah, they're cats. You like to just be scratched, don't you?
But they don't purr, do they?
No, the big cats don't purr. Cheetah is the biggest cat that purrs. And they purr loud.
What are the biggest ones?
Cheetahs.
Yeah, they are loud.
And they are loud, yeah.
They're great.
They really are.
What is their sight like? Are they colorblind?
Oh boy, that's a really good question. I don't know. I don't know what their color range is. I know they have longer rods than we do, larger rods, but I'm not sure on the.
I understand that they see certain colors, but green, orange color comes out for them as green. So that's
More
why
green.
a lot of the antelope are kind of orangey or fawn colored. So, and they turn out to be green.
And how old is she?